Welcome to Hubbard's Journey, and we have breaking news. The Caribbean Princess is currently stranded in the Caribbean Sea. It had lost all power this morning. They've made a number of attempts to get it going. Right now, the passengers are just drifting in the Caribbean. Here's the captain in his own words.
And only limited things are up and running. I ask your cooperation and just help us out on this one. Have a bit of patience. As soon as we'll get the power back, we're going to be on our way and everything will be back in service. So if you need anything, just please ask. As soon as I have something, I will let everybody know directly with the tannoy. So I'll be the one giving all the updates. The only thing I have to mention that as we've been now without power for a while, we are basically drifting around away from any danger, so that's the most important thing. But we're going to be drifting at sea, and shortly we're going to be exposing our starboard side to the wind. So once again, it's not very strong wind, but we're going to have a little list to port, I believe, and we might going to have start rolling a little. Nothing major, but it might going to be a little. You will be able to feel it on the ship. Again, nothing to worry, but it's just the natural force of the wind. It's just physics. The ship is going to give the beam to the wind, and it's going to be drifting with it. That's all.
We hope to keep you updated as this story continues to evolve. As the story continues to evolve, we have an update. They do have the propulsion up and running, and it's going about 12 knots. They're not 100% there yet, so the story is continuing to evolve. But it looks like they're in the clear. Listen to the captain in his own words.
We restored the power, and now we have a partial propulsion up on the bridge. We're going to be starting shortly to move ahead. Chief engineer is quite confident that he found the problem, so hopefully shortly we'll be on our way moving.
And we do have reports from people on the ship who are basically saying, hey, this is not a repeat of the poop cruise. They are up, they are running, everybody's fine, and the ship is rocking and rolling. A little slow right now, but all in all, from passengers on the ship, this is just a little blip on the old cruise map. Thanks for coming along on Hubbard's Journey, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you really like this video, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of Hubbard's Journey as we travel the world. Thanks for watching, but there's more to explore.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button
so you never miss any adventures.
Click on one of these videos to keep the journey going.
And this is where I say ciao for now.
We'll see you soon.